Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the Finelo app. Finelo is a mobile app which is available on iOS and Android that presents itself as a learning platform for investing and trading. According to its marketing, it offers beginner-friendly lessons on investing stocks, ETFs and crypto, simulations and interactive tools for practice trading, and gamified elements like quizzes, rewards, progress tracking. Also a subscription model for more advanced content. The website claims that users can build confidence in investment basics and decision-making skills. From user reviews, the interface is often described as clean and intuitive. Beginners reportedly find the lessons easy to follow. The gamified style, like quizzes or progression, is mentioned as motivating for those new investing people, and there are positive reviews in trusted review sites like Trustpilot and SiteJabber, where users use to say that they learned useful basics. So you're in total beginner and want a structured app-style exposure to the investing and trading world, Finelo might provide value in that regard. But let's go to what users say they dislike. Hidden or unclear subscription or auto-renewal. Multiple users report that they were charged after the trial period without clear reminder or understanding that it would auto-renew. Some also report that access to premium content or AI mentor features cost extra, or the trial wasn't fully functional, and users also say cancellation is difficult and refund requests are rejected. Some reviewers also said that the content is mostly beginner level and not deep enough for serious traders. And, of course, some say that they had issues with billing, app access, and lack of responsiveness from support. Given this mix, many classify the app as legit but risky. The product exists and works to an extent, but the business model and user experience raise caution flags. So, is it scam or legit? Legit, it appears to be a real app with genuine features and many users find it helpful. Review aggregators show decent ratings. And risky or subscription trap? Yes, because the combination of hidden auto-renewals, upsells, refund issues, and marketing that may overpromise makes it risky. Many users feel misled. And if you use Finelo, go to as a cautious user. To be clear about the subscription terms, monitor charges, and evaluate how much value you get relative to cost. It's not necessarily a scam in the sense of fake app, but it acts in ways many users find unfavorable. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.